Hey Beavs, and welcome back to StyledByBeaver 101. Today's video is going to be a quick hair tutorial on the Colorista hair dyes. I'll have more information about it in the description box. So I'm starting off with clean hair, and I'm going in with some virgin coconut oil. I'm just going to moisturize my hair with that. Excuse the boxes in my background, I'll have them moved hopefully by the next video. And make sure you get your ends of your hair. You never want to forget the ends of your hair. Next, I'm going in with this hair cream. I can't remember what it's called. It will be in the description box, but it's like a smoothing cream, and I'm just going to apply it to help with moisturizing my hair while it's up in this ponytail. Next, I'm going to part my hair, and I'm basically parting the section that I want to dye, and then separating it from the part that's going to go up into a bun. Right now, I'm just basically trying to find a decent parting. Nothing perfect, but nothing that looks too, I guess, crazy. Does that make sense? Like, see how that's not so even? I want to even it out a little bit more. My daughter was throwing things, and I was trying to avoid her hitting the camera. So now I'm just going to put it into a twist to separate it while we put the rest of our hair into a bun. So now I'm going with the Curls Blueberry Bliss Edge Control. I'm just going to apply that all around the edge of my hair or my head, and then brush it up with a bristle brush. And now I'm just putting it into a ponytail. Well, a bun. So I'm taking the twist out of the front bang section. I'm just going to brush it out with a detangling brush. Make sure there's no kinks, and that's what we're looking like. So the color I'm using is Purple 50, and you just basically squeeze onto your hands. No gloves are needed, and you finger it through your hair. You can either like squeeze your hair through your fingers, or like I did, you can like lightly comb it through until you have the desired color that you like, and then you let it air dry, or you can use a blow dryer for faster results. And you can also flat iron your hair while this color is in color. Curling iron, use a curling iron. You can still style your hair as you normally would. I think this is a really fun type of hair dye because I like that. I used to love dyeing my hair, but I didn't want to damage my hair because I'm in the process of trying to grow it back. So yeah, I just kept adding more until I liked how much my hair was dyed. But as I was saying, this one day color is perfect for people that want to test a color before they actually do it, or just play with color, you know, for events, costume parties, Halloween, birthday parties, stuff like that. And it does wash out once you wash your hair. Even better part is you don't need gloves, like I said. You don't need like all the tools, and all you need to do is wash your hands with soap and water, and it's out of your hands. It doesn't stain. It's like really smart investment for people that like to play with their hair. So now I'm just gonna put my hair into some twists. Oh no, I'm gonna add a little bit more color because I didn't think that was enough, apparently. So now I'm going to put my hair into twists, I believe. No? Yes, I'm putting my hair into twists so that it dries, and I'm going to put a head tie on as well. And like I said, I'm going to tie my head down and let it sit for an hour or so, and then I'm going to wash my hands, and these are the final results, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.